Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Casio A100. This is going to work for all variants out there. In case you have a dilemma about how these buttons are aligned and what each and one of them mean, you can look on the back of the case and you will be able to see. Now, something really important is to know that the light is on the left side, so you need to rotate it, and this is going to correspond to the light function. Now this is going to be the mode button that you would normally find on the F91W, so we are going to use it in order to toggle between the different options. And in your home screen where you'll see your current time, you'll be able to press once, twice, and when you press it for the third time, you'll be able to see the seconds flickering, beeping. So this means that we can press the last button on the right side, so the bottom right button, in order to reset the seconds. If you reset the seconds between 1 and 29, they are going to reset to 0, but no minute is going to be added. If you reset them between 30 and 59, as I did initially, they are going to reset to 0, but also a minute is going to be added. Now we are going to use the top left button, so this one right here, in order to toggle between the seconds, hours, minute, and then the date. And we are going to use this one in order to set the hours. If you press this one right here, it won't do anything, but it will actually light the display. So that is all that it is going to do. You can also press and hold the button right here to speed scroll, and you'll be able to see that we can choose between AM and PM. So I'm going to make it 8:30. So now I'm going to press the top left corner button once again, just like that, and I'm going to make it 30. Now also make sure to also keep in mind the seconds, because as you can see, they are going to keep on going and they are going to change your minute as well. Now I'm going to move forward, so I'm going to press this button once again, which, as you can see right here, it is going to be the reset button. Now I'm going to select the month. Now when it comes to February, it is going to go up to 29, so it won't go up to 30. Then let's say I want to make it the 5th of February, then I'm going to press the reset button once again, and here I can also select the day of the week. So let's make it Wednesday. So we are on the 5th of February and it is going to be Wednesday. Now if you press the top left button once again, it is going to cycle back and we can do once again the seconds, the hours, the minutes, and so on. In order to end the process, we are going to press the mode button, and as you can see, all of these settings have been saved. In case you want to see the date, you need to press the button on the right lower corner and you will be able to see that we have the 5th of February and then Wednesday. You won't be able to select the year, but nonetheless, that is how you set the time and date on your Casio A100. In case you want to watch the full guide with also how to use the alarm function and the stopwatch, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And I will also post a video on how to replace the watch battery, because this is going to last for 3 years. So I'm pretty sure you are going to need that as well. Once again, make sure to save the videos because you are going to find them useful, guys. In case you also found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really helps the channel grow, and also check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, I will see you on the next one.